Alright guys, we're back. I'm so sorry about that. We had some technical difficulties again. So once again, we are watching these storms continuing to pack a punch in parts of New York here. We're having many storm reports starting to come into our area here. One of the storm reports of trees and wires down in Ulster. This is pure social media. With another one, trees down via social media in New Jersey here. These are just a few of many reports coming in here throughout our area here. So we can take a look at this one severe thunderstorm warning that is 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail, I believe, and maybe penny-sized hail. Let's see. It's quarter-sized hail with that. And this is going down to 0.51-inch hail. So this, with our signature radar that we use here with GR2 Analyst, this can also gives us the opportunity here to see the hail spike and hail radar. So we can change this here and zoom in here, and this is what we can detect the hail on. So when you zoom into here where it has the 1-inch mark, you can definitely confirm that there was 1-inch hail there. The brighter the color, or the darker the color, excuse me, the higher the hail signature could be. So we're definitely keeping a close eye on that. We're also keeping a close eye on velocity mode here. A little while ago, we did have some broad rotation here. It's just can see that it did slowly go away. So we're going to pause that right now for a second. We just did get a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut. So southwestern Berkshire County. Alright, let's see. So, this severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued for portions of Litchfield County, northwestern Litchfield County, southwestern Berkshire County and western Mass, southeastern Ulster County and eastern central New York, Dutchess County in east central New York, Columbia County and Greene County in east central New York, and this is until 5:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Pine Plains, and this is moving northeast at approximately 75 miles per hour. Lord. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail with this. So, this storm here, right here, is moving at approximately 75 miles per hour. These storms definitely increased. It went from 40 to 75. Angela, do you have anything to add to that? Do you have anything to add? Do you have anything to add? I'm seeing some broad rotation near Redwood Hook. Are you seeing that to Rhinebeck? Yeah. There's definitely rotation, right? Am I the only one seeing that, or is there definitely rotation, brief rotation right there? Alright, glad I'm just not losing it. So we're gonna head back. We're gonna keep a very close eye on the severe thunderstorm warning into portions of Connecticut right now. So once again, there's a severe thunderstorm warning in portions of Connecticut at this time. This storm has a history of producing large hail, gusty winds, as well as a potential brief spin-up tornado. The National Weather Service does not think a tornado is possible with this storm, although I would still say there is the potential for it to be a brief spin-up tornado. The atmosphere is still partially unstable, and is still fittable for a tornado. So we're gonna keep a close eye on that one. We're having more. We have severe thunderstorm warnings down here. In the DC metro area, we're having reports come in of a tree down on a house in Prince William, Virginia. I'm gonna have Angelo continue talking.
Yes, hello. So back to the storm we were talking about. There's actually a special marine warning issued for that storm itself. It is definitely cracking a punch here. As I can going through the storm reports, I can clearly see that a tree limb up to 2 inches in size was taken down. Getting multiple reports of pea-sized hail reported. Mostly half inch, but some pea-sized hail coming in too. So this storm definitely has hail as well as it is producing damaging wind gusts. So if you're in the warning area, which this one is approaching Alexandria, Roosevelt, Fort Washington, okay, and Washington D.C., be sure to take shelter inside and away from doors and windows. There's a dangerous storm which is approaching highly populated areas. And that's you.
Alright, so that severe thunderstorm warning for DC has just been, just was reissued here. We're also talking about a new severe thunderstorm warning. Can you post this on Twitter and retweet me? For western Berkshire County and western Massachusetts, northern Dutchess County and east central New York, Columbia County and east central New York, Rensselaer County and east central New York, and southwestern Bennington County in southern Vermont. And this is until 5:30 p.m. I got this, actually. Can you just announce that there's a new severe thunderstorm warning for, the DC metro area?
Yeah, sure. Oh wait, it was just trimmed down. It's nothing. It's still the same warning.
It's trimmed though. That's what I meant. Sorry.
Ah, sure. Where is it? Where is it?
I'm gonna load a picture here real quick. Sorry, guys. We're just trying to get this out to Twitter as well, so people are aware. I'm gonna log into Twitter on my other computer here to get this up, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Let me know if you see anything on radar, by the way, so that you want me to show.
I will. Just let me just warn people that there's a reference warning heading for Washington D.C.
Okay.
Then I'll go back to
So we're still great for good wind gusts here occurring. We're still watching some rotation with this storm near Rhinebeck here. Right here, is where that rotation's possible, although it does not look anything severe. So I think right now the tornado threat with these storms are starting to become lower and lower. So that's definitely good news for us here. So that severe thunderstorm warning is staying until 5:30 p.m. and that is including that's the severe thunderstorm warning for Connecticut here. Taking a live look, I'll get it out. I'll get a live look for you guys and do a storm track, and you can see how I can do a radar loop. Excuse me. You guys see how the storms start to go here from 2 inches to 1 inch back to 2 inches. So there's definitely some hail occurring here. That may be extended, by the way, Angelo. That severe thunderstorm warning for Connecticut. I'm looking at it right now. That is just one nasty line. Let's turn off all weather alerts real quick and show you. One nasty line. What happened? You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just posted the severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay, did you tag me?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, I just didn't get the tag. Oh, there we go. If you have any flash flood warnings, let me know. If you guys would like to send in any reports,
if I have like a
yeah, hold on. If you guys would like to send any reports in, you guys can use the hashtag. Let me see if I can get a thing up. Just doing something here. Can you read that? On the top of the screen? I can barely read that. Let me update it. You can't, like...
Yeah.
It's like you can't see it. It's like...
I mean, all I say is want to send. Do it at the bottom of the screen. Okay. Put it at the bottom of the screen.
Oh, now you can't see it at all. What did I do?
Huh?
Now you can't see it at all. Hold on. Oh, I should make it like... That better?
Yeah.
I'm just making it. I don't know why it's so blurry. Isn't it blurry to you?
Yeah, it is.
That's so weird.
It really depends if I don't know. I'm just waiting for SPC to issue them a slide, and maybe we can end ish the stream. since it's
Yeah,
not really that severe terms.
I'm still trying to see if we need to. Hold on. I'm gonna keep the stream, I think, going until. I'm gonna delete that. I don't know why it's so blurry. I'm gonna keep it going until these storms start to fizzle out, I think.
Yeah, let's keep it going. Is that? Oh, never mind. Let's keep it going until we are left with no severe thunderstorm warnings. Don't
It's.
put it in the middle of the screen. Just put it like at the bottom.
Yeah, but I'm trying to see why it's so blurry.
Maybe focus. I don't know.
No, it's the. I can just get a graphic and do it for next stream. Alright, so if you guys want to send. Oh, I got a funnel report. It looks like 1930 hours. This is when
Yeah.
this. What was this?
TF.
Now it's long gone, but there was. That definitely gives us. That definitely shows us that there was the report of a funnel. This was 1930 hours in New York. Social media evidence of funnel along US 20. Wonder if we can find
And
this.
okay, so I got some storm report that can
Okay, your mic is
Uh,
on.
all right, so ladies and gentlemen, a storm that is in Washington D.C. This is coming from Prince William County in Virginia. Emergency management reports thunderstorm wind damage numerous trees down on houses in the Lake Ridge area. Again, this storm is really cracking a punch. You shouldn't be standing outside, even. So please, take this windows. Back to you.
So as he was saying, is because his mic kept kind of laggy. But the management down here, emergency services management, is announcing that there are multiple trees down in houses, as well as .88 size hail. So that is about the size. That's almost the size of quarter. So keep in mind that these storms are packing a punch down there, and these storms up
Oh well.
here in parts of Connecticut and Massachusetts are starting to pack a little bit of punch. We're getting reports of some damage coming in through New York right now. So we're keeping very close eyes on these storms as they are starting to, they are just starting to decrease. Excuse me. As they start to decrease around our neighborhood, around our neighbors. Excuse me.
Yep. All right. Hello, it's me again. I'm gonna be talking about. There's gonna be the same storm, which is gonna be 1 mile east southeast of Manassas in Prince William County, Virginia. Apologies. In the train weather spotter reports a large limb down, 3-inch diameter on Prince William County. Train spotter reports hail up to penny size. So again, this storm has been reported issued for the areas around Waldorf, Washington D.C., Chesapeake Beach, Shadow Side, and its surrounding areas. Please take this storm seriously. Alright, we're done.
So we are continuing to watch those storms. We're trying to find some storm report pictures here on our Twitter accounts. If you have anything that you would like to send up, then you can add them. You can post them using the Twitter hashtag of PrestoWX, PRESTO, uppercase WX, or you can at PrestoWX, PRESTO, WX. I don't see that there has any other storm reports. I'm just seeing that they're continuing.
Yeah, I got some more storm reports. Same storm. Jesus. Yeah, I got some more storm reports. Big time.
You do?
Yeah. Just switch it back to me if you can.
Alright, 1 second. Okay, you're on.
Alright. Sorry.
Yeah, you're on.
Alright, okay. Alright, so we still have some more storm reports that are coming in through this is from 911 call center in Prince George's County, 1 mile south of Tantalone. 911 call center reports thunderstorm wind damage. Report of trees and power lines down on the corner of Rufus Road and Dumfries Road, as well as a hail report from a trained weather spotter, which is going to be in Franconia, Fairfax County, Virginia. The spotter reports a 1 inch hail confirmed from my spotter. So just take this seriously and try to remain indoors until the storm passes. All right.
Alright. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Oh, my mic's being picked up. Okay. So, these lines are here. This line down here, we're going to show you right now. I'm going to zoom in here. This line here, this line that's not in a warned storm right now. We open up our drawing tool here real quick so I can show you what I'm talking about. So it's starting to rain here in portions of Connecticut. While we wait for that to open, it's starting to rain here in portions of Connecticut, New Milford, New Preston. You're getting in with some of these storms that they're starting to move in right now. So this main line is now starting to move into Greater New England, Western New England right now. You're getting in with the action as well. So we have severe thunderstorm warnings up here as well. Let's zoom in here. This severe thunderstorm warning is particularly to the border of Canada. Our main threat right now is this line of storms. Why is that not open? Hey, Angelo, can you talk real quick? Just to let them know about the storm. About the storms here. The one in Connecticut. Huh? The one in DC? 1 second, it's gonna load for a minute. Oh, now it's not responding. Let it be. It's gonna... Alright, guys, so we're gonna go to this one right here in DC area just real quick. I think we're getting reports of some broad rotation. Angelo, by the way, I'm just looking at some radar stuff. Next Sunday, we could have another storm threat. Alright, I'm looking at it right now. Wait, what? Go on what? Oh, okay. And I got major damages coming in right now. Oh, 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 my fault. Oh, never mind. That's not for us. That's in somewhere else. But that is the United States. It's with the line from yesterday. They just posted it. Okay, here, big downpours and gusts in Old Town North had some hail for about a minute. This is talking about the storm in DC. Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. KLWX is still downloading, by the way, but it should be. Oh, hey, 2 minutes ago from National Weather Service, Baltimore, Washington, the severe thunderstorm now is containing ping pong sized hail. Oh yeah, there it is. 2-inch hail, 2.06-inch hail. Confirmed on radar. I'll go into a hail signature for you. All right. So I would play a motion in for you, but that radar set is starting to go down a little bit. So we're going to continue back over to the Connecticut storms here. We'll put on the Albany, New York radar once again here, and show you what's a better look of what's going on here. Excuse me. We're trying to look at more rotation reports here coming up. I'm not seeing anything. Are you? Oh, hold on. We got a new warning. All right, a new severe thunderstorm warning is now in effect for all of Litchfield County, which is in northern Connecticut. That includes Berkshire County and western Massachusetts, as well, excuse me, as eastern Dutchess County and east central New York. Southeastern Columbia County and east central New York, and south central Bennington County and southern Vermont. Lord, goes all the way up to Vermont. Sure, but you're very windy in the background. Sure. They're not going to be able to hear you very well, though. Hold on, let me turn your mic on. Okay, three, two, one.
Alright, hello, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know if you can hear me that well, but this is some current observation. The one storm that is in Washington D.C. right now, it is bring up this anvil cloud all the way up into central Maryland. I am seeing some SLC clouds right now rolling in, but they don't see anything rain type or anything like that. This is definitely a storm that needs to be watched in case for any tornado that could possibly form, or maybe some rotation intensity. But other than that, that's about it. A friend of mine, which is around the severe thunderstorm warning area, reported half dollar sized hail actually. So that's a fun. That's at least a good report right there. So again, ladies and gentlemen, if you are in that with severe thunderstorm warning, just take it seriously and head indoors.
Hey,
All right.
I'm looking to see some broad rotation right now. With this storm as it heads into parts of Connecticut. You want to check it out? Let me know if you see the same.
Yeah, let me check it out real quick.
I just posted the new severe thunderstorm warning on our Twitter here. I'm gonna turn my mic back. Oh, it has been on. Okay, perfect.
And
Uh, yeah, let me bring it up here. Well, now I don't see it. So I can't. Let me see if I can run it back through previous runs. Same point to Pine Plains. Looks like. So we are watching the potential for that, for potentially for some broad rotation currently. With although radar is now showing it not as going away. So we're gonna put a live track on you. I'm gonna show you this storm as it's starting the storm here as it moves. So just letting you know, we do have a severe thunderstorm watch, and that goes in effect until 8 o'clock. What are you gonna say? Oh, we have a new severe thunderstorm warning. I think there's so many warnings I can't tell. They're all pushed together. Yeah, we do have a new one. So I'm going to bring you back down here to this line right here that is not severe warned at this time, but in the future, it could start getting severe warned. As it does look like it is starting to produce some good straight wind damage here. So this line right here, this line here from Lake Carmel to Yorkton Heights, you could see some of that. I'm going to bring it to Mike to Angelo real quick.
all right. All right. So yes, I do agree on what any weather is saying over here. Okay. They are definitely cracking a punch, as you can see. Possibly 60, 70 miles an hour wind gust in there. Hail, hail, flooding potential depending on which dominant storm decides to slow down and take its time. So again, I don't know if we've told you guys yet, but flash flooding is another thing that we're watching for today. As this line is definitely creating some flooding issues around the areas that are not treated very shape poorly. But these are all this is nothing tornadic. I don't really see anything that could be tornadic at all for now, and hopefully it stays that way. So let's hope that this event doesn't turn out to be some tornado dropping or something else. Back to you. Not at the moment. I'm just watching for some. Uh, uh, I'm just outside.
See. So we're trying to keep an eye on these. So we right now this area here is the concern right now. We can turn those alerts off here, and we can show you just how strong this line is. So look at this line, how nasty it is as it moves in through our area and then into Connecticut. So this is the Connecticut border. That white line right here where my cursor is, that's the Connecticut border line. So zoom it in again. This is where the storm's starting to move into Connecticut right now. So turning on those weather alerts, you can see that a severe thunderstorm warning is currently in effect for parts of Connecticut. And that continues until about 6 o'clock, I believe. 6 o'clock, exactly. Huh? Alright. So, we're still tracking these storms here that are that are packing a punch across the region. Um, see here. Took a live look here. We can just put the zoom on here. I'll take the weather alerts off right now. You can just look at the radar as it's starting to move in. Those as move into Connecticut. We're gonna zoom once again back into Connecticut and see these storms here are they're definitely still holding together here. Severe thunderstorm warnings are in effect, as well as watches. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect until about 8 o'clock. We're gonna let the radar play here, and I'm gonna mute my mic, and we'll come back on in a little bit. The severe weather threat across New England and around our Northeast is starting to diminish a little bit. So right now, we're going to end our live stream on as these storms are starting to make its way into Connecticut. So once it starts making its way into the Hartford area, these storms are going to start dissipating. So we're going to end the live stream here, guys, and we will continue. We'll be posting on our Twitters, on our Presto at Presto uppercase PRESTOWX, or on the Any Weather website. For now, we'll be closing the stream out. Thank you for everyone for tuning in, and we will be hopefully to do something like this again in the near future.